Worship for the audience of one. That's what is on my heart today. Sadly, and today I feel it more than ever, we sort of thought that the audience of one meant one other person who will appreciate my skill, or one other person who will compliment me, or the other team that plays music as well. And sadly, what is going on now is that we are constantly trying to outdo each other, constantly trying to copy someone else's moves, constantly trying to show everybody else that I can also do that. Even more sad is the fact that we can no longer enjoy music because of what it is. Music that is supposed to help us to draw near to God. As worship team members, we're constantly thinking it's a project. I must get everything right. I will know my voice and my dance moves, and that is it. No, the audience of one, God always. You do what you are doing, but please, I beg you, come back to the place where when you first hear a new song, you hear what the Lord is saying in that song. It's not a thing of I am working on it, I'm too tired, I can't work on it today. No, music was for listening to, bringing healing, enabling you to hear the voice of God, enabling the prophet to prophesy. It is not about you working. That's it.